Previously.
Eric's got his next project. This is the short block we sent out for that black V. In a previous episode, the owner got super lucky, and even though he broke a valve spring and dropped a valve, his short block was saved. We still upgraded pistons and rods, and now it's coming back together. And you're just one CTSV to the next, unfortunately.
Let's look at it, Steve.
Just look at it.
Would you just look at that?
Oh, that looks like a 112 LSA.
I think you meant 116.
I'm just being fucking the internet.
I know.
I can tell what LSA it is by looking at it.
Where's your light? I went and got you the charger.
Oh, you know what?
And
I only took it off because I took it off the charger when we went to lunch. Hold on.
Jesus.
I'll tell you one thing. I'm excited to crack open these Texas speed boxes I got in there.
Yeah.
Nice shiny cylinder heads.
There you go. Much better.
There you go.
Poor Steve.
Eric the tree.
Can't do anything without getting made fun of.
Yep. Story of my life.
Just be cooler, then it won't happen.
Can't, Matthew. Just I am the way I am.
Alright, Eminem.
Is that an Eminem song? Oh, I am who I say I am. Whatever.
If I wasn't, why would I say I am?
Yeah.
The paper, the news, every day I am.
Alright, I didn't go that far. Because if I wasn't,
Then why would I say I am? That's it. Stevie's favorite.
oh, I think it'll be alright.
I think so too.
So then you can get the studs in. Yeah, I think you'll be alright. That'll save you a little time. You don't have to do valve springs or anything.
Yeah, saved me a lot of time.
It's nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
You could just put the thing on.
So are they just a stock casting head that they just port?
Yeah. Yeah, not do a valve spring. Just here, watch your time.
Yeah. I think just clean them up. Like I usually try and get them pretty clean.
Yeah. Do LT's springs suck more than LS?
No.
The same.
Exactly.
They suck the same.
No, they're just
I'm just
flashlight fall off.
stroke.
There we go. And it's new home.
It's good.
I gotta sneak this thing in past this header, Steve.
So would you need help?
I don't know. I don't think you can get your hand in there even if I wanted it.
Probably wouldn't want to. It's okay. It wasn't bad. Eric's got a little package from UPR.
Well, we all do.
Friend, sweetheart, Mustang Matt, Angry Eric.
Grand Sweetheart, that's a new
Yeah,
one.
I guess.
My name's not on
Maybe the
Yeah, well,
you.
it's maybe not for you as well. let's see what we have.
I think I know what it is. Matt calls this.
Yeah, I think so too.
Golden boy.
No, Matt tagged us on Instagram. You cut yourself, buddy? That's an odd spot to cut yourself.
So UPR started making these.
They make a bunch of cool shit, dude. They make a badass, like, adjustable wrench with a Zeus fastener and, like, all in one. Dude, it's sick. I have one in the smart car. It's good to keep in, like, your race car, pit crew car thing.
So you want to explain what this is, Eric?
Spark plug gapper.
I want to try one.
You have your little feeler gauges.
Oh, cool. Came feeler gauges.
Yeah, I mean they go on. They're in there, and then you slide it over. What you do?
So it just holds the spark plug in place.
But you guys didn't know that it.
No, I didn't know it came with them either.
No, what you
I understand, but I thought
put
you
the plug in there, and you put the feeler gauge on top, and you twist this down, and you put the feeler gauge between. I'll show you. I'll do one right now.
So you can just tighten it, and it will close the gap.
Yep. What you'll do is you.
Stay
What's
still,
this?
buddy.
You know what I was
Stop moving.
Okay. I wasn't moving.
You're turning your body around.
Okay. What you do? You find probably go to 18 on this one. And you slide that 18 in there into the plug. You don't want to be crazy with it.
Yeah, a little pressure.
A little pressure. And then, bam, there it is, the 18. It's perfect. And that's that.
Nice. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah, it is.
That should actually save some time, too.
Oh, I know. It's in a little, you know.
You don't have to sit here banging plugs.
How is that?
Yeah.
Probably a power line.
Generator or something.
So Eric's been working on this, putting the new engine, well, refreshed engine back in. Got the blower on. Recently ported by Kong Performance. 5-inch intake going on. Nick Williams throttle body. So what else you got on this thing to do?
I'm waiting for the reinforced blower brick. Fuel system.
Okay, nice. Looking good. All black MSD. Looks nice. This isn't a Mamo or anything, is it?
Uh-uh.
Okay, just a regular MSD. Looks good.
I tried this before and I couldn't get to work for some reason, but seems like it's
Pushing
gonna
the
work on
harness
that
down or
car.
something?
Just putting these P clamps on it, and I know it doesn't work on this side because the harness is way too fat, but at least one side.
Yeah. That looks good. Interested to see what this does versus the last one we just did was manual, but no MSD, and then the one before that was an MSD, and that was manual. So I think that made like 530 or so. The Bujamin car. I'm assuming maybe right around 500.
Yeah, I don't expect any more than that.
No. I couldn't imagine. Oklahoma. This thing is clean, boy. 13, right? She is clean. 20,000 miles on her.
And then you'll have to buy that $25 off. But then, come next year, when the season starts in November, you can hunt in November.
450.
13?
Yep. It's got the better axle back, but that's about it.
Nothing done to it?
No,
Don't
no stock. Manifolds.
Guess how many miles are on this thing?
20,000.
Yep.
I know. When I pulled it in.
It's hard to believe how clean it is.
Yeah, I mean,
469. I'm gonna go put this Z on the left.
So you're 450 and he's 469.
Yep, you go in the low.
Don't mind if I go 460.
You're a scumbag.
The reason you're this close to my face. I'm about to release the Panther.
Doesn't even have carbon brakes or anything. I guess it's just a very strong car. I mean, that's the highest non-carbon I've ever seen. Here comes the internet going, oh, their dyno's so high. I'm gonna piss off the internet again. Here it comes.
Yeah, I know.
Jeez. Here's the thing though, like, we have no incentive for making the baseline or trying to make the baseline high.
We'd rather the baseline be lower.
Yeah, right. We would rather it be low to show a bigger gain.
Yeah.
So like we have literally no incentive to lie. A high baseline only makes our job harder to show a bigger increase. So we don't lie. It is what it is. I mean,
I'm building this one, so it won't be hard, but
oh Jesus. Is this getting a mama or anything?
getting everything.
Oh, is it really?
Clutch.
Damn, she's gonna be a monster. This might.
I'm actually excited.
This might be the high, dethrone the highest too. The Jersey one, the silver car, was the highest ever.
Who had the highest guess?
You did.
Oh, but that made a lot more than we thought.
No.
Yep.
Matt
This is gonna break the internet again.
That's what we were just talking about.
Oh, did you do it SAE and
Yeah, I'll even show it. How about that? I'll even show
let's do it.
All right, so because the internet thinks STD to SAE makes a 50 horsepower difference.
I'm gonna say 579 or 479.
479, that's a good guess. Matt?
I don't know. I don't play with
475. I think it's probably good.
Okay, still high for.
Alright, we're gonna do this so nothing changes. You can see everything. Options. SAE. Okay.
Oh man, look at that right there.
Actually, you're right on.
Right on.
479. So, even SAE, that's very high.
Yeah, almost four. That's pretty good.
That's very good.
Well, that's like 420 SAE. You guys are liars. You're a bunch of liars. SAE, no. It's more than that.
Good number.
So it looks like Eric's almost wrapped up with a V.
I gotta do a whole fuel system.
Oh. Well, it looks like Eric's not wrapped up with a V. Eric's doing a fuel system. Let's check on Matthew. He's got that clean, please don't do that. Clean Oklahoma C6Z. We're doing heads cam metal.
You got a hairball?
Yeah. Look, even his exhaust tips are clean. How's it look underneath?
Fucking perfect.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna say something else.
One of the cleanest ones I worked on, for sure.
Yeah, I'm really surprised. This thing has
I mean, look at the transmission.
20,000 miles on it. I know. Yeah.
Just look at that transmission.
Just look at it, Eric. Just look at it.
Would you just look at that transmission?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at
The
it.
car is not perfect.
Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
So heads cam, clutch, mammo,
Injectors, throttle body.
injectors, throttle. Yeah. Well, when I say mammo, you kind of have to do that. I mean, you don't have to, but pointless to put a ported intake manifold on with a stock throttle body.
Is it?
I mean, yeah.
Have you done all the flow testing on that synopsis?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Did all of it. Backed it up with full facts.
Just making sure.
Wow, that is quite the signature.
Yeah.
Man.
James Kip.
You should sign your name underneath it. Like, he put it together, you add it onto it. You should.
Slippery dippery duck. The cam slipped off the block.
Whoa!
Thanks, see, that was good.
You thought I was gonna say clock?
I thought you were gonna say something. Come on.
What can I say, Matthew? I'm quite the freestyler.
I'd put you up against Lil Wayne any day.
I was just gonna say, I'm better than Lil Wayne. Fingernails are dirty since 12:30.
Counting this money early.
All of it's slain in black glory.
Get a little side by side. You can really see the difference.
Yeah. Oh man, that's a huge can. I could tell. That's a huge can.
Oh great, I just mixed them up.
Oh no, we're gonna put a stock one back in.
I wonder if anybody's ever done that.
You'd have to be really dumb.
God, that would be... God, I hope Eric does that someday just so I can
That's
make fun
not.
of him.
No, that's not nice. I don't want to.
He's making fun of me, Eric.
And he's making fun of you, so.
I did not make fun of him.
He said he mixed the cams up and split the stock one in, and he goes, I hope Eric does that someday so I can laugh at him.
That's nice. I wasn't making fun. I was just... It would have been
He was
future
wishing
making
ill
fun.
upon you, is what he was doing.
Steve, you are such a spoon handler. I'm gonna have to get my hands oily on this one.
Attaboy.
Not a frontal like a LT.
Can't be afraid to get your hands a little dirty.
God, there it goes.
Just dive right in.
That's what you gotta do when you just can't get to her in the car.
Purple lube. Get every crevice. Ooh, that was a good one. She's all nice and soaking up.
Yeah, this one's going in nice. I tell you, the screwdriver's a massive help.
Just get a little leverage on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, there she is. The butt slayer. Patent pending. Yeah.
I found another one of these when he really wanted one. Dude brought it up to us, delivered it from like 3 hours away in Virginia.
Said it was mint.
Yeah, said it was mint condition. It had like 8,000 miles or something on it, right?
8,000, yeah.
Had like 8,000 miles or something on it. It was a good price. Negotiated all this shit. I'm like, all right, come up. I'll give you the money and all that. Dude, gets here, wheels are all f***ed up, front lips cracked, like all this shit. And I'm like, yo, take that thing back home, bro. He's taking it with him.
Okay. All right.
I don't play that game.